Hi, I'm Ben with Motion to Next Drives. Today, I want to talk about some value-added things that we provide for customers. This machine base and tabletop is for our LFA system. The customer did design this with the help of our engineers. We did a system on how to properly mount the conveyor itself and some other design features that he wanted. This tabletop has many holes in it. The customer wanted to be able to get this and mount all his fixtures, his tooling, his feeder bowls, robots, and all the apparatuses that do the processes here. So we had some questions on how to do it properly, and we assisted him on that. We had it all fabricated here in machines. Some of the other things that we provided to him were underneath this tabletop where he will have all his controls. We did some tap holes on the structural beam here on the bottoms and the sides for attaching his doors that he's going to put on this to make it a complete enclosure for his controls. So this is an example of some things that we provide as value added to our customers. If you have something else in mind that you want to add to an LFA system, precision index conveyor, or a rotary index table, we can help you. We have engineers and designers that can do the whole thing for you, or just machine and fab per your print. So next time you have an application, please call Motion Next Drives. I can help you out. You can call me or one of our engineers. We'd be happy to help you out.